Hi guys, so I was just fixing up this PS2 controller and I couldn't find any guides online showing how to actually open up the plug, and I was having a bit of continuity problems with this green cable. So it looks like, well, I had to completely mangle it open because I had no idea how to get it open, but it looks like on the inside here there's two clips here and here, and you need to pry these back, lining up with them, so around about there and there, and then there's also two on the back, there and there. So it's quite difficult, and it looks like mainly a one-way construction.